Oh my gosh, look at this. These birds have taken over my yard. Look at this. Why are all these birds out here? It's like an infestation of birds. What in the world? Oh my gosh, you guys, what is that all about? Look. Whoa. Okay, I'm going to close the window because if a bird flies in here, I will be screaming. There's so many birds. Look at that. What in the world are they eating down there? That is crazy. Oh my gosh, they're up and down the whole street. Look at that. Watch when cars come, how they all fly away. Look. Oh my gosh. They're all up and down the street in all the yards. Oh my gosh, if I drop this phone out the window, I'm going to scream. Oh, there they go, there they go. I have never seen this. What is this? There's like hundreds of birds.